Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the device specifications and hardware information on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, there's multiple different options, but we're gonna go with two different ones. And first one is go to the settings, then in the system we can scroll down, and here on the bottom we have about, and you'll find all of the information about your device right here. Now, next one is to open a search, and here we want to enter DXDIAG. Open this program, and then we can say yes. Now, after a while, we should get this window, and here you can also find all of the information about your tablet, and in the display there's like integrated graphics card and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.